ready, we can start the class. Ritu ma'am.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So, good evening, everyone. How are you all? Fine? Quickly show me a thumbs up. Excited for today's class? Excited for today's class? So, I hope you all are ready with your all stuff. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get set, go.
Mom.
So, everyone, ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, everyone, first take a newspaper. A tumbler newspaper. It's newspaper like this.
Good evening. Get ready for your stuff. So first take a newspaper. Just fold it once like this. Very good. Now once again fold it. Yes. Yes, baby. So everyone fold your newspaper like this. First. Yes, then
Yes,
second
Avika,
turn.
you
Yes,
can write in the chat box. Yes, tell me. I'm listening. Yes,
done
Avika beta.
everyone. So fold from the top little bit like this. Just right now, just 3 fingers fold it. Okay, fold it from the top, and same we will do from the down. Okay, like this.
I'm so sorry to Is it just
Anything
one
here?
piece of cake or it is like the multiple papers together, the complete newspaper we need to take for this?
Ma'am, I took only one double size newspaper, 2 pages of newspaper.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fold both the sides like this. You know, today I am showing it with newspaper how to make lantern, but on Diwali we will make it with colorful chart paper. Okay. So today I know you all don't have that color chart paper. That's why I'm showing it with newspaper. So fold it like this and put glue on one corner. And just fix it like this and make a cylindrical shape like this. Okay. Put a glue and fix it and count till 10 so that it will be fixed.
Ma'am, please show again.
Yes.
Ma'am, please show again.
I just fold on the top and the down little bit. Just 2 fingers fold. Then put glue on one corner and fix it like this and make a cylindrical shape like this. You need to make a cylindrical shape. Okay? And count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it's fixed. See. So our cylindrical
What
shape
you
is
have to do,
ready.
children, what you have to do, you have to make a paper roll, okay? So if you have cardboard, you can just roll it and make a paper, like cylinder shape.
Yes,
So you just
like
have to
cylinder
make a
shape.
paper roll like this, like Ritu ma'am has made it
Like
with
this.
newspaper.
See,
Okay?
our cylindrical shape is ready. So all of you done till here? Ma'am, should I wait or? Move to next
Ma'am,
step.
they are doing. You have to give them few more minutes. Okay. So they are all
Okay, ma'am.
doing nicely.
Very good. Lantern. Ai
Yes, beta.
Diwali, Ai Diwali,
It's
Ai
perfect.
Diwali re. दीप जलाओ, खुशी मनाओ, आई दिवाली रे.
Ma'am, can we finish to make this?
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Sing along with me. आई दिवाली, आई दिवाली, आई दिवाली रे. दीप जलाओ, खुशी मनाओ, आई दिवाली रे. जलाए फुलझड़ी पटाखे, आई दिवाली रे. बांटो चलो खूब मिठाई, आई दिवाली रे. So done everyone till here?
Ma'am, it is
Just you have to make a cylinder shape, nothing else. Just you have to make a cylinder shape like this.
Ma'am, I have done.
You done? Okay. Ma'am, should I move to next step?
Ma'am, I also done.
Okay. So keep it aside for dry and take one more newspaper sheet.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Take one more single or double you can take. Take double newspaper. See, 2 newspaper.
Manasvi, do you need some help, beta? So you know, beta, you very nice, very nice. You have made it very nice. Very good, Shania. I can see that Shania also have done it. Anay, show me yours. Arav, very nice.
Done everyone. Now let's move to next step.
You.
Take one more newspaper. See, one more newspaper and fold it like this. Okay?
Ma'am,
Very good,
please do
Ishan
again.
and Trisha.
Ma'am, please do again.
Just fold. Take newspaper like this. See? These are the newspaper sheets. Just fold it. Ma'am, someone is saying something.
Ma'am,
I'm
yes,
unable to
Ritu
hear.
ma'am, they are just asking how many newspaper you have taken. You have taken 1 or 2?
One newspaper, 2 pages. One newspaper.
2 pages. Okay.
It has 2 pages. Yes.
मैम हमको ऐसे अलग अलग लेना है कि एक साथ?
No, single you can take बेटा. जो एक न्यूज़पेपर होते हैं जिसके 2 पेजेस होते हैं वो आप सिंगल एक ले लो. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Single.
Yeah. Yes. Single, yes.
Okay.
Single and double, whatever you have, you can take बेटा. Just fold it. Again, fold it. We are doing multiple folding, okay? So that in one cut we can get so many squares. Again, fold it. And once again, more fold it like this. Nothing we have to do, just fold, fold, and fold like this. Okay? Done?
Ma'am, can you repeat
Just
again?
fold newspaper.
Ritu ma'am, we will
Yes,
go,
yes.
I think, a little bit slow.
Okay, ma'am.
They are all doing.
See, once again I'm doing, I just fold newspaper like this. Once
Very
again,
good,
I
Pratham.
fold it. Once again, I fold it like this. And once again, I will fold it like this. Okay? Multiple
Avika,
fold.
very good. Very
Ma'am, please
nice.
do again.
Like this. And then do it again. Okay? Just do multiple folds so that we can get this
Ma'am,
shape of
is it
newspaper.
okay?
Yes.
Very nice, Manasvi.
Ma'am, we have to do one fold or two fold.
Two fold, beta.
Fold.
Okay, ma'am.
Fold it, fold it, fold it so that we can take that type of shape. See? A rectangle
Very
shape.
good, Nandika.
Okay?
Ma'am, done.
Done?
And
Okay,
you can
now
go
take
to
a-
the next step. They have all done it now.
Okay, now everyone take a scale and pencil. And we will cut it 4 by 4 inch. Okay? Just make a line over here, 4 inch. And from this side also 4 inch. Okay? So we have to take 4 by 4 inch square.
Children, oh, I think for small children, ma'am, they can't use a ruler, so their mammas can help them, right?
Okay, yes, ma'am. So take mama's help. And
Have
yes,
longer
just
scale.
4 inch का है, 4 inch का.
mark 4 by 4 inch, 4 by length and 4 by breadth. So we will get a square of 4 by 4. Okay? See like this.
नहीं पापा
यही है.
पेंसिल
So you have to find where is number 4 in the ruler.
Ma'am, 4 centimeter or inch?
4 inch है, yes.
4 inch. 4 inch.
Centimeter.
4 inch, beta. 4 centimeter is very less. We take
ये
4
नहीं है,
inch. 4
ये
inch
बड़े
by
वाले.
length and 4 inch by breadth. Okay? Yes?
How many centimeter?
1 2 3 4. ये देखो बोलो. बोलो इधर.
4. 4.
3 4 है.
Yes.
हैं? ये इधर तक आ गया.
So children, I can tell you a easiest
Ma'am?
way, okay?
Please tell
Yes,
it
you have-
centimeter
Yes,
how
beta.
much?
4 centimeter, both the sides.
What?
Beta, I can hear you, bacha.
It be 10.16 centimeters. Ma'am, centimeter
Yes.
कितना आएगा?
Acha, first tell me, can you see number 4 in your ruler?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Starting from the beginning of the ruler,
0.
you
Yes.
just have to make a dot till number 4. Make a dot on number 4.
Ma'am, you have to write on straight.
Vertical or horizontal?
You have to vertical or horizontal.
Both the side, beta.
Both,
Basically, you
both.
have to make a square, okay? So square, all the sides are equal. You know that, right?
Yes.
On
मैम
the
सेंटीमीटर में कितना होगा?
10. 10 centimeters or 4
1 inch,
inches.
I think 12 centimeter. Ma'am, you can, if you have in centimeter and scale, you can take 6 centimeter.
6 सेंटीमीटर. ओके मैम.
Ma'am, you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
do from up and down.
Yes, Peter. Acha, I will tell you in centimeter. Okay.
Half centimeter.
Okay, in centimeter. See, I took centimeter scale. Take 10
केशव देखने दो ना
centimeter.
बेटा, आप मत करो ना, आप जाओ.
10 centimeter. Take 1.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मम्मी को. सुनने दो ना यार,
length.
सुनने का समय तुम ये कर रहे हो यार.
Parents, can you
Excuse me?
please put yourself on mute?
Ma'am, just tell them in centimeter, take 10 centimeter by length and 10 centimeter by breadth. Okay?
Ma'am, I have 4
10.
4
centimeters.
inches. 4 inches.
4 inches.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you
Very
have
good,
any
dear.
scale,
Very
take
good.
4 and cut it.
Cut the paper.
Basically, you
Cut
have
the
to
paper.
take
The
a
line.
square. You have to cut in a square shape. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, cut कर दे.
ऐसे नहीं,
क्यों करें?
ऐसे नहीं,
Cut all the sides.
पापा ऐसे नहीं बोला मैम ने.
ये लो 4 into 4 inch कट गया नहीं है. यही काट लो.
4 into 4 नहीं
4 by 4. Beta, if you have scale in centimeter, take 10 centimeter by length and take 10 centimeter by breadth. Okay? 10 by 10 you have to take. Okay? So take these multiple squares like this.
Ma'am, just see.
See, in just one cut, I got so many squares. See,
ओहो ये 4 निकलेंगे. 1 2 3.
Ma'am, Jani also got so many.
yes. See, in one cut, I got so many squares.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Jani also got so many of them.
Okay. So, ma'am, should I move to next
Ma'am,
step?
see. Ma'am, see.
So many squares.
Very
So
nice.
many-
I can see that Shania and Anay. Have you done it, beta?
No?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Done, everyone?
Ritu ma'am. Ritu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
just wait for 1 more minute, okay? They are just doing.
Okay, okay ma'am.
need to open it.
Nandika, show me your thumbs up quickly. Who all have
If you have
done it? Show me your thumbs up. Janvi, very good.
Ma'am,
I can
Yes.
see Janvi. Nandika, have you done it? Show me your thumbs up. Keshav, very good. Arav, good. Yes, beta. Yes, bacha. Shania, you are on mute, beta.
Ma'am, can we open it?
Yes, we will open it and cut. See, you will get so many squares. All the sides you have to cut. Wherever you will get a joint, just cut.
Ma'am, 8 pieces.
Yes. 8 pieces. Okay, fine. No worries. Okay. If you need more, then you can cut more. Okay. But 10-12 pieces is enough for our activity.
Yes.
10 करने.
Actually, we need 10 to 12 pieces. Okay.
जितने चाहो उतने कर सकते
अब मैं कर दूंगा तू इसको छोड़.
Okay. Now let's move to next step. So take one scale like this and put glue on one corner. Any one corner. Any one corner. Okay. And just opposite of this corner, wherever you put the glue, just opposite of that corner, hold it like this and join it like this. You will get that shape. Okay? See? Put glue on one corner, any one of corner, and that opposite of that corner, you have to fold it like this and join it. Fix it like this. Okay? So, like this, we will do with all the stairs. Put glue in one
Ma'am,
corner.
like this?
पहले तुम उठाओ तो केशव कितना उल्टा दिखा रहा बेटा.
Just fold it from the down and fix it. Like this.
Okay. छोड़ो प्रथम उसको दिखाओ.
Okay.
दिखाओ ना
Okay?
This, it
You
is.
have to join any two corner, opposite corner you have to join. Any
ऐसे दिखना.
Yes, Pratham.
Any two corner you have to
Okay,
fix it.
good.
Okay. So do it with all the squares quickly and sing song. I Diwali, I Diwali, I Diwali रे. दीप जलाओ खुशी मनाओ आई दिवाली रे. फूल चढ़े पटाखे चले आई दिवाली रे. बांटो यारो खूब मिठाई आई दिवाली रे.
Like this.
टर्न करके
Yes.
दिखाओ.
Fix it, all the squares like this. See how ma'am is doing. Okay. Take mama's help. But it is very easy step. I think you can do it. We need 10 to 12 pieces. Okay. That's enough. Are they doing, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
They all
ma'am,
are
they're
doing.
doing.
Okay. So kids, tell me, do you like Diwali? Which activity you have do on Diwali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fix it. So I think I have done so many.
You are making a Diwali lantern. What are you making, children?
Diwali lantern.
Diwali lantern.
Very good. Very nice, Avika, Nandika,
Done,
Keshav. Very
everyone?
good.
Ma'am, how many
So ma'am should
we have to make?
done, everyone? Now let's do next step. So take your
Ritu ma'am?
cylindrical
Ritu ma'am?
shape.
Ma'am, how
Yes,
many?
हो गया रहने दे. तुम्हारा
Yes, ma'am.
आवाज नहीं देता, मेरा ज्यादा.
Yes.
And better, I think 10 to 12 is enough. You have to do only 10 or 12. That's enough.
Please
Okay?
wait.
So, Ritu ma'am,
Okay, I'm waiting. Yes, ma'am.
yes, they are saying कि we have made only 3. We need more time. So,
Ma'am,
we are waiting
finish.
for 2 more minutes. Okay, quickly make it.
Okay,
Very
ma'am.
nice,
Okay.
Nandika. I can see
Okay,
that
okay.
you have a very good scissor skill. Yes, beta. Yes, bacha. Tell me.
I make 14. Ma'am, done. See.
Okay, no worries. I am waiting. Just take your time, baby. Take your time. I'm waiting. Okay? Today
So,
I am
children,
just showing you
you are trying this activity with newspaper first. So in Diwali is a very bright and colorful festival, right? So in Diwali, you can make it with colorful sheet. Okay. So first try it with newspaper. So it's very easy. All you have to do, you have to cut some square and join the corners. It's a very easy activity.
Bacha takes mama help quickly. Fix all these corners. Diwali
Very
is the
nice,
festival of
Vidhi.
colors. Like
Very nice, Pratham. So those children who have done it, show me your thumbs up, like Pratham is showing. Very good, Pratham. Thank you so much for that. I can see Vidhi is enjoying making all these things. Vidhi, are you a crafty person? You like art and craft? Very good, Shania.
joining this channel, sing song, Diwali song. Do you know any Diwali song? See, I know only I Diwali. My favorite song is I Diwali, I Diwali, I Diwali.
Diwali hai, Diwali hai.
Nandika, beta, be careful with your fingers. Very nice, Avika. Yes, perfect, Avika, perfect. Very nice.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, ma'am, we can go to the
Okay.
next step, okay?
Okay, so everyone now take your cylinder shape.
I
like this.
Diwali, I
Okay.
Diwali, I Diwali.
Hi, Diwali, red. Okay, now see, take your cylindrical shape and take this one. Put a glue on the back side here, just little bit in a one line, and fix it in this cylindrical shape like this.
Wait.
Like this. Okay. Now take another one. Just take a line with glue.
Ma'am, how many paper you have
So
taken for
you have to fix.
cylinder?
See, you have to fix it like this. Never, never. Okay.
How many
You have to
paper you have
fix
taken
all these.
cylinder?
I have 12.
12.
So fix it like this. Okay.
Ma'am, sorry.
It's very easy.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how many paper you have taken for cylinder shape?
How many?
How many newspaper you are talking about? How many newspaper Ritu ma'am has taken, beta?
In newspaper, in cylindrical shape, only 2 sheets, beta.
Ma'am, like this?
See,
Who is that, beta?
yes, you.
Ma'am, Keshav is
Keshav.
asking. Yes, Keshav.
Keshav, yes, beta. So ma'am has
Okay, ma'am.
taken a folded newspaper and she had folded it once again to make the cylinder shape. Okay. So like I said, if you don't have that newspaper or if you have cardboard, you can just roll the cardboard and make a paper roll. You can use toilet paper roll also if you have. All we need just a cylinder shape.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Fix all these squares in this cylindrical shape like this. See, like this. Okay.
Wow, when they will make with colorful paper, it will look so bright. It's looking
Yes,
very
ma'am.
nice, ma'am.
Yes. But I can see
So
Shania is
in the
also
end
making
of this
it
session, I
nicely.
will show one colorful lantern. I will show how it will look like in colorful chart paper. Okay, in the end of the session, I will show it.
Janvi, very nice. Ivan?
Quickly fix it like this. It's very simple. Very simple. You can take mama's help. But I know you all are very intelligent and brilliant kids. You can do it yourself. So like this.
Oh, I can see Evika is there. Where's that little girl gone? She has grown up so big.
Ma'am, I have done.
Show me your thumbs up.
Okay, so our next.
God bless you, Eva.
So now let's move to next step. Okay. Take one more single newspaper. Take one single newspaper sheet. Okay. And fold it like this. And in rectangle shape, we'll take one more fold. So two fold I have done. Once again, I'm going to take one single sheet.
Ready, ma'am?
Fold it once. Yes.
Yes, very.
Very
One
nice,
single
Shania.
sheet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now take one more single sheet of newspaper. Fold it. And one more fold like this in a rectangle shape. We will get a big rectangle shape like this. Done till here? Done till here?
Ma'am, we have to do one fold.
Two folds.
Yes, two folds. See,
Two
one
folds,
single
beta. You have
fold.
to make two
Two
folds.
folds.
Ma'am,
One fold.
First,
Yes. First
we are
fold.
doing
See?
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes.
very nice, Janvi. Now, ma'am,
Two folds. Yes.
you can go to the next step
Two
quickly,
folds.
ma'am, then.
Okay. Okay, now.
Can you show again? Ma'am,
Yes, baby. I took one.
नीचे रखो ना
ma'am, can you repeat again, please,
मैम को
ma'am?
दिखा दो
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Time you will get that rectangle shape. Okay. So
हो गया
thumb on the
बोलो ना
top.
मैम
Ma'am, can
Here.
you repeat again?
Yes. We will fold it like this. Just we make a crease over here. ठीक है? You will get a crease over here. इस crease तक हमको scissor cutting करनी है. Okay? Like this, I will show you.
Ma'am, again.
Yes.
बस
Just baby fold it. Make a crease on the top and cut it like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what?
Crease तक आपको
Ma'am,
cut
what
करना है.
was the
Yes.
first step?
Children, you will get the video
Very nice,
on
Manasi.
YouTube.
Very nice.
Happy baby. Oh, happy baby. Happy baby.
Okay, see, we will get this type of. See. Now open that fold and
Ritu
cut in
ma'am,
the. Yes,
Ritu
ma'am.
ma'am, I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
you can go a little bit slow. The meeting will
Okay.
over soon. Okay. So
Okay,
if
okay.
anyone wants to complete the craft, they can join again. Okay. So you can go a little.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So, see, basically we are making this type of lantern. See, I made it with colorful chart paper. On Diwali, you can make it with like this, colorful chart paper. See,
Very
same.
nice. Beautiful. I will also make
Okay.
one.
Very pretty one.
Okay.
Very colorful.
So everyone, cut
And like this.
like type of this type of thing.
Yes, Pratham.
Keshav.
Absolutely.
Keshav.
Man, like this, Keshav.
Yes.
Yes, beta.
Okay.
In center, just cut it. So we will get so many pieces like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So see, there is a giant, so I will cut from here also. So I got 4. See? Done till here?
Nobody will unmute. Show me your thumbs up.
Yes?
Can you show?
This paper, beta, just I fold it newspaper twice, and after that I make a crease over here and just cut out like this. आपको ऐसे झालर की तरह कट करना है, ठीक है? Like this. See, I use in the down of this lantern like this. Can you see? See, like this. Okay? Now we will make this part now. Till here we have done. Now we are making this part. See, like this. Done till here. Now we need to just fix over here. Okay? This end of the down of the lantern, we have to fix this jala like this. Here. And fix it on the down like this. Like this. Okay? Another side also will fix it.
Very nice, Keshav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now other side also we fix this.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, cut कहाँ से करना है?
बेटा जब एक फोल्ड करोगे ना